Came back again with another video. And I got my boy Nate here.
Yes, sir. A Mob Kaido on Twitch, on TikTok, bro. You know where to find me. I think today we're gonna be reacting to some something a little different. You never really react to J-pop before, right?
This is my first time.
It's your first time. I bet. So for my anime fans, bro, like y'all know what this song is, but Cam's never listened to this shit. Ever heard of Chainsaw Man, Cam?
I heard it. Didn't it just like come out? Like I've been seeing like the previews of people talking about it.
Yeah, it came out probably like a month or two ago, yeah. And like it's probably like one of the most popular anime like that. I think the last episode aired like a week ago or two.
For real?
So yeah, shit's
like
loud, bro. Like, it's like new. Like niggas are still like talking about it, Twitter trending, all that.
That's crazy. All right, let's
so, bro.
And this, you said this the intro to it, or?
Yeah, that's the intro, bro.
All right.
Tell you gonna fuck with it.
I'm already messing with it. Just by the video.
Thanks. This is my first time watching the video.
Is that him?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying, bro. That nigga suited. I kind of fuck with the fit though. How you feel about it?
Hold on, let me get the
yeah, I like the jacket.
I rock with the jacket fire. That's a calm fit. I get a
I'm not going here.
I give it a fit of 8 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie.
I'll give it 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah. Like I think all Japanese niggas have drip, bro. That's my opinion. I've never seen a Japanese nigga with like no drip.
Bro, I don't know if you noticed one thing, but I want to see he's Japanese. He go to our school, and he be having crazy drip on, bro.
Bro,
I think the esports one.
I don't know your talk. That sucks, bro. If I have no idea who you're talking about, damn.
Bro, then he be wearing like these designs.
Oh shit. That nigga thirsty, damn. Who's it, the villain? The fuck? Oh nah, him just arrived, bro. Like nah.
Who's that? Who's that?
I got no idea, bro. That must be the villain.
Why is he that strong? Why is he that strong? Like I don't know how much that is. Oh, US. I don't know how much is 20 kilograms is.
Kilograms?
But
bro,
nobody doing that over here. That's crazy.
I don't know
what y'all on over there, but that's crazy.
Not crazy. Thanks. Nah, he's doing it again. He's doing it again. That nigga going crazy, bro. Pause. Nah, bro. Nah. Oh, nigga, what is going on?
What bro? What bro? What you got me watching, bro? What you got?
Man got the Wreck-It Ralph hands, bro. Like, oh nah. Nah, I gotta see like what's going.
Nah.
Oh, I thought he was about to punch the shit out of him. Oh no, it's like a fake arms is crazy. Oh, I love the production quality on this too. Yeah, it's not Blackpink, but it's like still doing its thing. Yeah, facts, bro. Especially like New York drill shit, bro. Them music is just like group of niggas like surrounding a Honda or something, like some money. Nice, bro. Oh. I don't know. If it was, that's a fire reference if it was. They got this nigga rolling and shit. That's yo, it's fire. What the fuck? Nah, no way you gonna jump. Oh, that is a white guy, bro. That was a okay. Good game.
Nah, Brett is cheated. Nah, hold on. They all racing, and he gonna push Brett out the window.
Nah. I didn't even think that shit. Nah.
So Brett was just dreaming this.
I don't know who.
Oh.
So Brett, I mean,
Nah. Man had a fucking Moon Knight moment, bro. I don't know. Nigga got no idea what's going on.
I'll rock with it. I might have to get the anime to watch.
Nah, facts, bro. I'm telling you, Chainsaw Man, probably like the most popular anime right now.
For real?
Yeah, bro. Definitely hop on the wave when you can.
I'm definitely gonna give it a I'm definitely gonna check it out.
Sure.
Don't forget to hit the links from my boy Nate Stowe. You can let them know what you be on.
Yes, sir. Be on Mob Kaido, bro, on Twitch. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, but don't watch those videos, bro. They need work.
Alright, yo. I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. I'm gone.
Catch y'all.